Do you want a cookie?
Boom!
Oh, okay. What's poppin', guys?
Welcome back to our channel.
So today we're gonna vlog for you again because we're gonna go fishing with my dad.
Yes.
So yeah,
So we're
Okay.
gonna get dressed right now.
because he's almost here. So see you in a minute.
Bye bye bye
All right, guys. So we're trying to get ready because my dad's already here. We're like brushing around. So yeah, we're going. Hurry up, Cassie. Okay, let's go. Hey, Shunny boy. Over here.
Hi.
Okay. We're vlogging this.
What?
We're vlogging this.
Vlog?
Say hi to the vlog. That's my dad.
That is so dangerous.
Yeah, we got some.
Side, do I hold?
This side without this little hanging thing.
Okay. I'm done.
Guys, this is most people. Oh shit, I just caught myself on your knife.
That was a bad word. How old are you? Like 5? You shouldn't say those words.
I'm 9 years old, fucker.
I'm not gonna be surprised if that's my brother that turns out gay.
I'm back.
Oh,
I don't even know my words.
gosh dang it.
Before I was 4. 5 years later, you be knocking on my door. I'm just like Kylene. Just chore. Yes, I be on fire. But yes, you are a liar. Yes, you want to hydro dip it. And then you wanted to spin it.
Oh! He fell. Where is he at?
Where'd he go?
Is it?
You be on my door when I
Wait, where are we going?
We're going to Highway 53. Going straight to Loco.
Oh, okay.
We go to almost to Johnson Corner. Then you turn back into the park.
So we're going to a pond to fish.
Yeah.
Try it. Ow. All right. No, it's never eat sour watermelon.
Never eat fat women.
No, that doesn't make sense.
I wish there was one that started with an F so I could go. Never eat fat woman.
Don't ever say that. Don't. No.
Oh, my hair.
Hi.
Hello? Hi. Hey, fly your knife around. Fly your knife around. We're vlogging you right now. We're watching you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is for very, very, very extraordinary, and I don't know what U's for. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere, anytime, and all down here in the deep blue sea. Alright guys, we're gonna explain the current situation.
Wow.
So we're driving in the road, right? Almost gets stuck, it's fine. Like,
Yeah, we almost got stuck in all that mud.
So yeah. So anyway, Papa James is like, man, I didn't want to get my truck dirty. Then he just stops and he's like, pretty sure the pond's over there. Don't think I'm on the right road.
Oh, great.
It's fine. Everything's fine.
Well, you want to get on top of the car? He's going to run into us.
Shouldn't boy, you're going backwards.
You're gonna run into us.
Dad. All right, so we're stranded because they all just left us.
But yeah, they just left us.
Like, look at
They're
this.
just gonna go try to find the pond.
Yeah, because we're lost. So we're just gonna, kind of chill. I say we go explore.
Same. Let's go.
Let's go. See you in a minute. Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. All right, so we found them. They were way over there.
Jingle bells. We have to investigate.
Okay, guys. Update. They're gone. Like they are nowhere to be seen.
They left. Oh, I see them.
Get there, wait.
Wow, look at that.
I wanted to get them getting stuck in the mud, but oh well. But anyways, update. They came back.
No, where are they going?
Oh wait. We're over here. All right. So,
Wait, what?
All right. So update. They were coming back for us, and they got so close, and then they turned around. So I guess not.
Oh, so we'll just be waiting.
I voted. She goes. She's trying to. Not gonna say that.
Oh. 2 types of friends. Then there's another.
And then there's you. Alright, so they decided to actually also, they found the pond, so they're gonna unhook the boat, get it in the water and everything, and then they're gonna come get us. So we have now like 15 minutes maybe. So we're gonna explore that thing. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna go look at it and stand in it. So yeah. Alright, so it's looking a little sketchy. Oh look, this thing has water in it.
It's probably for the cows. It's like a water thing. Hi!
Okay. What is it?
I don't know. I'm gonna go in it. I just have to remind.
Oh, whoa, there's mud right here. Hold the vlog. Here, I'll get in. Oh, this is really sharp. Oh, my arms are so like... Okay, I'm gonna fall.
Sunny.
What? Okay. There's like a little ledge to sit on. What the? I'm inside the thing!
Do me.
You?
Okay. Hi!
Yeah, okay.
What?
Hey, almost at the pond. It's right there. What? We have to paddle? Okay, so we're paddling.
That's a snake.
It's a snake? Right there.
That's a duck.
A duck? Oh, there it goes. Okay, we've got ourselves some visitors.
You ain't a donkey, get in my swamp.
What is this dude doing?
He's trying to
Look
rape,
into the face
he's trying to rape that cow.
Alright, so we're not on the boat anymore because this doesn't work out, and Cassie is at the hotel. My mom is still alive.
Oops.
Ready? I'm gonna kiss him. Wait, both sides are moving. How do you know which one's his butt and which one's his face? fishing didn't really work out that well, so we're gonna go to the knife store and shop for knives again.
Yes, I have a butterfly knife. I'll show you.
yeah,
This is good lighting.
Hold up.
See you in a minute.
Oh no.
So I think we forgot the boat. I don't know if he meant to do that but there's no boat attached to us. So.
Oh well.
Just a icy wonder why she wet.
Bust down, bitch, I'm drowning. I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. So happy, I feel like I'm holding up a mountain.
I was always gonna call him because he's a shotgun. Right in the line, put it in the gun, make the monsters. Just wait out of you.
But we come straight out of
Harvard. I'm gonna make her patties, but when she see what the family, move my family. Let's go.
Right, he's getting us some pizza. Hey.
Jesus.
Budget Customs with a K.
Daddy putting in that grind.
Look, Daddy's doing the weeping name.
Okay, so we're at the knife store and we just bought us some ninja stars. What?
Ooh. So what do you do?
Okay.
Looking a little scary. That's why you do not mess with me.
That's the end of our video for today. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Be sure to like and subscribe. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what other videos you'd like us to do. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace!